how to make your notes neat and colorful. So, use highlighters and color pens for highlighting headings neatly, and use black pen for side headings, which going to be very easy while reading during examinations. And write subheadings with black pen and body in blue pen. After every subheading explanation, draw a neat colorful line. And while you are explaining something, use white use color pens and draw neatly and highlight the important points, which going to be very easy while reading during exams. And highlight everything, underline the main points, and don't leave any points, and don't take much time to make it colorful while you are reading during exams. And use this tip only while you are writing notes, and don't depend upon much time on this. Always use black pen for the question writing and use blue pen for answer writing. When you are writing a tabular form, use scale and neatly write your borders with color pens and highlight everything neatly. And use best colors, making highlighting and which is going to be very easy while you are reading during exams. And use some notes tips and neatly write everything. Thank you.